I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your system is updated and that Snipping Tool is available. This avoids surprises during capture. Next, press Win plus Shift plus S or type Snipping Tool in Start to open the overlay immediately. Once done, select a capture mode, rectangular for most tasks, freeform for irregular shapes, window to grab a single app, or full screen for everything. Make sure to position windows and hide sensitive info before you capture, so you get the exact screenshot you need. Now you perform the capture and refine it. You click and drag or draw the shape you want, then release to see the Snipping Tool preview. After capturing, use the pen, highlighter, and eraser on the toolbar to annotate. These quick edits clarify what matters before sharing. If you need temporary menus, set a 3-5 second delay so the menu opens before capture. Finally, press Ctrl plus C to copy to clipboard, or continue to saving if you plan to keep the image. Finish by saving and sharing correctly. Click Save or press Ctrl plus S, pick PNG for lossless quality or JPG for smaller size, then choose a folder so you can find the file later. Once saved, use the Share option to send via mail or Teams, or paste directly with Ctrl plus V into Docs or chats. If the tool fails to open, make sure the app isn't blocked. Then restart it, or press the print screen key to fall back to legacy capture. That usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.